So we have seen that algebraic identities and x plus y whole squared is equal to x squared plus 2xy plus y squared, and x minus y whole squared is equal to x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. And the third identity was x squared minus y squared is equal to x plus y into x minus y. And the fourth identity, which is x plus a into x plus b is equal to x squared plus a plus b into x plus ab. These were the four identities. These identities are the important identities because it is from these identities we are let us now extend the identity 1 to a trinomial x plus y plus z. What do you mean by a trinomial? It's a polynomial having three variables. Okay, so we shall compute x plus y plus z whole square. See, and in order to expand or in order to find that polynomial, we need the help of the first identity, which is x plus y whole square. Okay, so how we are going to expand it? I'll show you. See here. Here we are substituting x plus y is equal to t. We are just substituting instead of x plus y, we are writing it as t only. Then what happens? Then x plus y plus z whole square is equal to, instead of x plus y, we are writing t. So that is equal to t plus z whole square. You know that what is x plus y whole square? It is x squared plus 2xy plus y square. Similarly, what is t plus z whole square? It is t squared plus 2tz plus z square. Are you following? It is easy, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Then again, now what we are doing? Now we are re-substituting. That is, instead of t, instead of the letter t, we are writing it as x plus y because we have already written x plus y is equal to t. Now we are again writing, instead of t, we are writing x plus y. So we get that x plus y whole square plus 2 into, instead of t, we are writing x plus y, which is equal to 2 into x plus y into z plus z square. Again, we know that what is x plus y. We are just expanding it. So that is x squared plus 2xy plus y squared plus, we are just opening the brackets here, like 2x plus 2. Okay. And again, multiplying it by z. So 2xz plus 2yz plus the remaining term is x squared. And we are just rearranging. That is, we are writing x squared plus y squared plus z squared. All these terms together and the remaining term. 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. This is the fifth identity, which is x plus y plus z whole squared is equal to x squared plus y squared plus 2xy plus 2yz. And this was actually the process which how we have formed this identity. You don't need to learn this process. It is for your additional knowledge only. You have to learn or by heart this identity. This is the important part. Do you follow?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
so
Now what we are doing? Now we are using this identity, which is x plus y plus z whole square, to solve some problems. So the first question is this one. Write 3a plus 4b plus 5c whole squared in the expanded form. It is quite easy. See, like we have written in the previous class, we are substituting or we are turning the values as, instead of 3a, we are writing x and y is equal to 4b and z is equal to 5c. Okay. Then what happens? Then we have 3a plus 4b plus 5c squared. We are using, in order to start using this identity. Okay. That is 3a the whole squared. You know how we get this? Because instead of x, we have written it as 3a. So x squared means 3a the whole squared plus, and instead of y, we have written as what? 4b. That is 4b whole squared plus 5c squared, 5c whole squared, and the next time 2xy. And what is x and y? They are 3a and 4b. That is 2 into 3a into 4b. Similarly, 2 into 4b into 5c plus 2 into 5c into 3a. Don't get confused with the length of the terms. Okay, they are just quite easy. You don't need to worry about, so this have 6 terms. That's all. They are simple. Only it has 6 terms. That's the only difference from the previous identities. Okay. Now what is 3a whole squared? It is 9a squared plus 16b squared plus 25c squared plus, we are multiplying it. 2 into 3a into 4b. That is 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 4, 24. 24ab plus remaining 40bc plus 30ac. Am I clear? Do you follow this question?
Yes,
How
sir.
we are
Yes, sir.
using, okay, how we are using identity 5 to expand this identity. And usually this identity is very easy because it is the only identity having 3 terms. Okay, so you won't get confused it with other identities. Fine. So just learn this and just apply these identities directly. Most probably the questions will be given to you directly, to directly apply this identity. There will be no tricky questions like that.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in the last answer that you told, there is last in the 30 AC, so we can, the variable we can write it C or AC, so they are correct, na?
Sorry. In the last variable.
CA, so it is correct, or we have to write it that like AC only?
It will be better if you write it as 30 AC. That will be better. Okay, because our questions will be asked expand it, so you have to expand and then find the final answer. You should not leave anything to find or to compute later on. Just they are easy, they're quite easy. Just multiply all this together. So it will be better if you write it as completely. Okay.
Sir, after that, sir, we can find the square of 9a and 16b square and 25c square.
After writing 9a square, I don't understand.
Sir, after writing this question, then
Okay.
after that, we can write the 9a square in the square. That square means 81a square. Sorry, sir, nothing.
Okay, I don't understand what you were saying. Okay, if you have doubt, you can contact me WhatsApp. Okay, fine. So now we are doing a similar question. See, expand 4a minus 2b minus 3c whole square. See, this is an important question. All of you listen carefully, because how we are because see, in this identity also there is all the signs are positive. Okay, there is no negative sign. Then how come we can identify this negative sign for this each and every term. So we will do that in this question. So listen carefully. Otherwise, you may find it little confusing. So listen carefully. See, we are given 4a minus 2b minus 3c whole square. Actually, what we had learned only x plus y plus z the whole square. Only we had learned this identity. So we are going to convert this identity into that form. How we are doing so? See, actually 4i is okay. So there is nothing to worry. It is positive. And instead of minus 2b, we are writing it as plus into minus 2b. Similarly, we are writing instead of minus 3c, we are writing it as plus into minus 3c. Clear? Just
Yes, sir.
there is no more other hard steps is there, only simple steps. Now you can write what is x, y, and z. You know what is x? What is x?
4a.
Yes, x is 4a. And what is y?
Minus
2b.
2b.
Minus 2b.
Minus
y
2b.
is yes, y is minus 2b, not 2b, y is minus 2b. And what is z?
Minus 3c.
3.
Yes, that's all. Now you have to just substitute this 4a minus 2b and minus 3c in this equation. Just substitute that equation and finding the square and multiplying it. That's all. I think you don't need the further explanation. We are just substituting it here. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
No,
Is there any need
No, sir.
for the explanation? Okay. So that's all about when you have given x plus y plus z whole square, about that identity. Now there comes another identity. Not identity, another similar question. See here, you are given, you have to factorize 4x squared plus y squared plus z squared minus 4xy minus 2y z plus 4x. First of all, in your exam, when you are given like factorize a polynomial is given to you, first of all, you have to look for is there any common factor,
Identity.
or if we can any common from there. If there is nothing to take common, see here, like in this question, there is nothing to be common taken from there. We won't get anywhere. If we take, even if we take 4 from each and every term, there is nothing. We don't get any formulas or identities what we had here. Then, if in that case, then look for the number of terms. See how many terms does this polynomial have? How many terms? Come on, quick.
6.
Yes, very good. It has 6 terms. So, what is the only identity we had learned containing 6 terms, which was
Fifth identity.
this identity? Yes, identity 5, that is x plus y plus z whole square. So, we can conclude that we have to factorize the given question to this identity. Okay. Now, how we are going to do so? See, we are writing it as 4x squared plus it is y squared actually. Okay, there was a mistake. 4x squared plus y squared plus z squared minus 4xy minus 2yz plus 4xz. This was the question. Now what we are doing? We are writing this. We can write 4x squared as 2x the whole square. Right? There is no doubt.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
No doubt.
Now we can write y squared as minus y squared. I will tell you why we are writing instead of y squared, we are writing it as minus y squared. For that, look here carefully. Listen here because this is very important. See, we have seen that in this polynomial there is 2 negative signs. Okay. Now look for the terms or look for the variables containing negative terms. See, xy is there, yz is there. So, which means any one of the terms has a negative.
So your voice is not coming.
Okay, now you see the only term x is there and it has a positive sign, which means the term or the variable having negative sign is y. That's why we are writing y squared as minus y whole square. Do you follow me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All of you follow me? Do you understand why we are writing instead of y squared, we are writing it as minus y whole square?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So we can write minus y whole square and z is written similar, z squared again. Now we are splitting it as 2 into 2x and minus y. You know, see in this formula we have 2 is there. So we have to bring 2 in this equation. So in order to convert minus 4xy as in terms of 2, first of all we have to write it as plus 2 is there. Then what is x? X we have written here. X is being written as 2x. 2x. So we can write 2 into 2x. And what is the remaining term? And y has been, we have found it as minus y. So we are just writing minus 4xy as 2 into 2x into minus 4y. Again, we are writing plus sign because we only know this identity as plus sign. That's why we are doing so. Okay. Now we are writing, similarly, we are splitting minus 2yz as 2 into minus y into z, and the last term is being written as 2 into 2x into z. Okay. Now we can compare this equation with our fifth identity, and we can easily write it as 2x plus minus y plus z whole square. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we can write it as 2x minus y plus z whole square, which means these two terms are multiplied twice. That's the only. So we have factorized our given question. All of you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now, till now, we have dealt with identities involving second degree terms, which means the highest degree was 2 only. There was no polynomial containing 3. Highest degree as 3. There was no polynomial, or there was no identity having a third degree polynomial. But now we are going to extend the first identity to compute x plus y whole cube. And that's why I told you earlier, the first 4 identities are the very important identities, because from these 4 identities you can generate the remaining identities also. That's what. Okay. Now, see, now we are going to expand it. again I am telling you, most probably you won't be asked questions to how we are forming x plus y whole cube. This equation. We only learn that you only have to by heart the identity. I am just showing this for your additional information. Most students find mathematics very difficult because they don't know how it is being generated. Why is it so? That's in order to avoid that question, I am showing all this. Okay, so you just learn it and by heart the identity only. Okay, so what is x plus y whole cube? We are splitting it as x plus y into x plus y whole square. There is no doubt at all. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. So now we can expand x plus y whole square. We are just expanding x plus y whole square as x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. Now we are opening the brackets. Okay. First, we are writing it as x into x squared plus 2xy plus y squared, and then the plus sign is there. So we have written plus y into x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. Now we are opening the brackets. There are x into x squared plus, which is x cubed, plus x into 2xy, which is 2x squared y, again x into y squared, that is xy squared. Now come here, y into x, that is x squared, that is yx squared, and again y into 2xy, that is 2xy squared, and the last term, y into y squared, that is y cubed. Okay, that's how we got this next equation. So again, we are adding the like terms. See, there is nothing to be added to x cubed. Okay, but see here, 2x squared y. Let me show you this. The different one. 2x squared y is there, and again, see here, again another x squared y is there. So they are like terms. We are just adding them. So we get that 3x squared y. Okay. And again, xy squared is there, 2xy squared is there. So we are adding them together. So we get that 3x squared y plus 3xy squared, and the remaining term y cubed. Okay. And we can take a common from the middle two terms. See here, you can take 3xy as a common. So we can write it as x cube plus y cube plus, and the remaining 3xy into x plus y. So our sixth identity is x plus y whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into xy. Are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Again, you have to by heart these two identities. These two identities. Actually, the seventh identity is the same only. Instead of plus y, we are just writing it as minus y. That's the only difference. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So x minus y whole cube is equal to x cube minus 3x squared y plus 3xy squared minus y cube. Now we have some questions, some examples is given to you, and this is x cube. See here, now we have to find an example is given. Find the following cubes in the expanded form. 3a plus 4b the whole cube. There is only two identities we have learned containing the degree as 3. So we can easily solve it. Okay. Now we are comparing it with our identity number 6, which is x plus y whole cube. Then we can see that what is the value of x?
3a.
Yes, the value of x is equal to 3a. And next, what is the value of y?
4b.
Yes, the value of y is equal to 4b. We are just substituting, instead of x and y, we are substituting 3a and 4b. That's the only difference. See, we have written x equal to 3a and y is equal to 4b. Now we are just substituting 3a and 4b. That's all. See, 3a plus 4b whole cube is equal to, our identity was x cube. So we are writing it as 3a the whole cube plus 4b the whole cube plus the remaining term 3xy into x plus y. That is 3 into xy. X is 3a and y is equal to 4b into x plus y. That is 3a plus 4b. And we are opening the brackets. Okay. What is 3a whole cube? It is 3 cube into a cube. It is 3
27
cube.
a cube.
Yes. That is 27 a cube plus 4 cube means 64. That is 64 b cube plus. And again, we are multiplying it. We are opening the brackets. Just only that. 3 into 3a. That is 9a. 9a into 4b. That is 36b. 36b. 36ab. 36ab into 3a plus 4b. We are opening the brackets. Okay, only that we are doing. This see, first we are multiplying this. Now we are multiplying this. That is 36ab into 3a. That is 108 a squared b and 36ab into 4b, which is equal to 144 ab squared. Clear?
Yes, sir.
And in a similar manner, in the same manner, we can expand this, the second question also. 5p minus 3q the whole cube. Only thing is x is 5p. What is y? What is the value of y?
3q.
Y is equal to 3q. And we can use the identity x minus y the whole cube. Just like we have seen in the previous question, in the same manner we are multiplying it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now another type of question is given. I will show you one question. The next one is simple one. Yes.
Sir, instead of using 7th identity, we can use the 6th identity
Yes.
in second.
No problem at all. No problem. That is according to your wish. See, sometimes we can use x plus y whole cube, but the difference is that instead of y is equal to plus 3q, in such case, we have to use y is equal to minus 3q. That's the only difference. That's why
Yes, sir.
I don't say that, because you may sometimes find it confused, because a minus sign can goes to a whole mark.
Sir, in the
Okay.
first question,
Yes.
Sir, I can
sir, in
do
the
by
first
that.
question, sir, it is written 3a cube. Sir, when you have written the answer 27a cube, you have written. So, sir, why you have not
Yes.
omitted cube?
Sir,
What
I
is
can
a cube? A cube means a cube itself. We can't omit a cube. The sign will be there. The cubic sign will be there.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I can do by that manner in exam.
Sorry.
I can do by that manner that I say in exam.
Okay. Yes. There is no problem at all. I won't be saying this is the only way. No problem at all. You can do like that. Just the answer should be correct. That's the only thing. Okay. So now we are going to our next question. 104 whole cube. See, in the when we have found like this one, we have seen 105 into 106. Okay, we have seen a similar question. In that similar manner, we are going to form an equation. We are writing. I have already told you that whenever you are given a number, you have to write it in terms of 100, right? Then
Yes,
it will
sir.
be
Yes, sir.
easier for us. In the same manner, we are writing it as, instead of 104, we are writing it as 100 plus 4 whole cube. Okay. Now we can directly apply identity 6 because x is 100, y is 4. So we can write 100 cube plus 4 cube plus 3 into 100 into 4 into 100 plus 4. Okay. Now we are just multiplying it. 100 cube, it is 1,64 plus 64 plus 1,24,800, and we get the answer. Okay. It was easy. There's no problem, right?
yes, sir.
And again, see the next question. 999 whole cube. Again, you should write it as a multiple of 10.
1000 minus 1, sir.
So yes, 1000 minus 1 whole cube. And you
Yes.
can directly apply the identity, 7th identity. They are easy, right? Just apply this one and you can find the answer. Okay. And another polynomial is also given to you. You have to factorize it. See, 8x cube plus 27y cube plus 36x squared y plus 54xy squared. Again, we are writing or we are converting it as, see here, look, it has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms is there. But the x cube is there also. So there is some confusion should be there. Okay. That's why we are doing like this. See here, we can write this given equation as 2x the whole cube again plus 3y the whole cube, and we got x and y. Okay, x we got it as 2x and y as 3y, and so we are writing it as 3 into 4x squared into again 3y into 3 into 2x into 9y squared, and we are again splitting it like it as 2x cube plus 3y whole cube plus, we are comparing it with identity 6. Okay. See
Yes,
here,
sir.
identity 6, it has only 4 terms. The same identity is given to you. So we are just comparing it. So 3 into 2x squared, 2x the whole square into 3y plus 3 into 2x into 3y the whole square. Okay. Now we got it as 2x plus 3y the whole cube. That is this one. It was easy, right? So now you have a last identity, this one. You have to by heart it. In the next class, I will show you how we are finding this and try to do this question also. By heart this identity also. Okay, you will need it. X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xy z. Okay, and exercises you can do it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And in Monday I will show you how we are arriving at that, and Saturday evening I will send the videos of that YouTube, send the link of that YouTube. Okay. And
Okay,
if you
sir.
have any doubt, you can